Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Ya lem kuranwe. All right. Beep.
Position. The game sheet, the jersey numbers of the various players.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Everlove TV. Abale kemi glebe egba Anseco Kitasko final match. Enyami ka toheka ji nye 57th sports festival. Ika ejimle Anseco egba nye finals. Nya ja wo nya play coach odo motor ka ika nye cho Anseco. Nya sem ngomo kukuchubo. What exactly is going to happen today? And after match we definitely make sure we get them and then speak to them. No one we speak to them. No one we will definitely speak to them. So just get in close to us and then let's have the coach with me right here. Uncle. Namu uncle.
Nyenkonya Emmanuel Kofi Avaga.
Emmanuel Kofi.
General.
Okay. Egba Anseco Kitasko.
Yeah.
This is one of the great moments, exactly. One of the superb thing that happen during this 57th annual festival.
Yeah.
Anseco Kitasko, and you people are the best school in this southern part of the Volta region.
Exactly.
What are you going to do today? Afi nya aje game agomo.
Akwe abale ane blina game anto mala easy.
Yeah.
Chogo majajaka am out in be Anseco play Kitasko why you final.
Okay.
Kake qualification ha no easy.
Yeah.
Me for wanya school ba. After me gavadu Chamasco Haji.
Okay.
Both on penalties.
Oh, okay.
Yes. They were very tough teams.
Yeah.
Kitasko Toha, it wasn't easy for them. They had to beat Zion College.
Wow.
They do Zion College FIFA do final. And na hype yale game yachi amanya hype view.
Yeah.
Vinyo ha already. Kitasko Toha already. Preparation ami jagoma a week before the competition because me sick about. Kaka Vinyo jagba. Who won the shade and they are mentally ready.
Yeah.
La Susuma already in game. I know Kitasko is going to come prepared already.
Yeah.
Kakami Hamil already. Yeah. We're going to give the fans something to enjoy today. Exactly.
And this is going to be there forever. Let me come with you, Masagomo. The build up onto Blomanyang Bobo. Your team is ready.
Exactly.
Nyaka in a Bronoba today for match. Nyaka in a leader, you know. They should fight for the game. What I'm trying to put across here, Egba match is one of the crucial matches between you.
Exactly.
Nyaka in a leader, you know. Egba nyegba, ejebo hokula.
Akwe. Nobody. It's a final.
Yep.
For qualifications over Iho.
Yep.
This is one thing that you do once in your life.
Yes.
You fight for your school.
Yes.
In a final, you have to give your all.
Yep.
Na de ujidadi na footballer. Na ba nya ball fulako. Fui na marisa na nakpo. They should not be afraid of anybody. They should be fearless. They should go to the pitch and prove that they are good. No way. They are doing it for themselves and for the school. I'm only
Okpom.
Exactly.
Scouts all area.
All area. Okpom. Tano football wa amarekwe onyakpo ni ko agbogoba awo. Ajo. Amoro Afia Kochoko Akoya Blochi.
Yeah.
This can be their chance.
Yes.
So they should show to the world that they have the talent. Black star players, so young playing man. You don't get players from this side.
None of them.
A blue talk, play talk, Northern region.
Yeah.
This is the time for us also.
To
But me fight. I have confidence in them. They should prove it to everybody to see. And I believe that they have what it takes to beat Kitasco.
Thank you.
Yes.
They have what it takes to beat Kitasco today. So, can you get me one of the captains so that we speak to them, then we move to Kitasco right now?
He's here.
Yeah, Joshua Lenyagbo, you can be captain for the team, Anseco team. Joshua, today's match, how prepared are you guys to fight this game today?
We are very prepared.
Okay.
When we talk about training, we've done so much, and we are prepared to win this game. And today we know that Anseco will be the star of Ewe-land.
Anseco is going to be the star of Ewe-land. Wow, what a great word from Anseco captain. Let's go to the pitch and then see what exactly will happen today. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV on YouTube and be a part of this great family. And also on Facebook. Hey, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chale.